Manila, home of culture and commerce, heritage and history, and now home of SMDC's newest luxury living space, Sands Residences. With our groundbreaking ceremony, SMDC inaugurates the beginning of a successful future, where homeowners and investors alike enjoy the returns of true cosmopolitan living. Breaking ground to bring luxury living by the bay right into your home. The 51-story establishment sits right along Roxas Boulevard. Designed with the colors of the sunset, celebrate luxurious living every day, where recreation and relaxation are all right at home, while you enjoy a gateway to world-class shopping malls, entertainment hubs, schools, museums, restaurants, and tourist destinations. Welcome to Manila. Welcome to your own bayside home. Welcome to Sands Residences.